Hello everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Roblox account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to log into your Roblox account but you've forgotten your password during logging in, then here's how to recover your Roblox account. From the main login screen of Roblox, simply tap on Forgot Password or Username link. Now, select whether you've forgotten your password or your username from this page. If you've forgotten your username, tap on Username option on the right hand side. Enter your country code by selecting from the drop down and type in your phone number associated with your Roblox account. You can also choose to use email to retrieve your username by tapping on Use Email to retrieve username. Enter your email address that is associated with your Roblox account in the email text box and tap on Submit. You'll now receive an email in your email address inbox. Tap on OK and open up your email. You'll receive an email from Roblox. Open up the email that you received and the username will be displayed right beneath that is associated with the email address. That is how you can find your username. Now let's say if you've forgotten your password for your Roblox account, then from this Forgot Password or Username page, select Password tab. You can either enter your phone number to reset your password or your email address to reset your password. If you've chosen phone number, select your country code from the drop down and type in your mobile number in the text box. Tap on Submit and go through the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. If you'd like to use your email to reset your password, tap on the Use Email to Reset Password button at the bottom. And now, enter the email address that is associated with your Roblox account. Once you enter the email, tap on Submit. Go through the verification puzzle if available, and an email with instruction has been sent to you in the particular email that you just typed in. Open up your email inbox, and as soon as you receive the inbox, tap it open on your email. Now, you'll be able to receive this reset password box in your email inbox. Tap it on to change your password, open up with a web browser, and you'll end up in this password reset page. Type in the new password you would like to use for your Roblox account in the text box appearing at the top. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, and now confirm the new password again by typing it in the text box. Make sure to type in your password that matches and tap the Submit button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to recover your Roblox account. I hope the video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.